One of the major things that's been in the news recently is that many years after a traumatic brain injury, some individuals develop a neurodegenerative disorder called chronic traumatic encephalopathy, or CTE. And what we wanted to know is why. Why, when somebody gets injured at the age of 20, do they develop CTE at the age of 40? What are the molecular events that are occurring over that time frame? Well, flies are a great way to answer that question because flies only live about 75 days. So we can look over their entire lifespan in a month and a half and determine what molecular events are occurring during that time period. It's much more difficult to do this in humans, and it's actually impossible because you can't manipulate them, a human being. You have to wait until they unfortunately pass away and then look at their brain after the fact. Whereas we can look at the fly brain 1 day after being hit, 5 days after being hit, 10, etc., and see what happens to the fly. What we can do is we can take the brain and we can embed it in plastic and basically take thin sections through the brain. And what we see are signs of neurodegeneration. And in the fruit fly, the main sign are holes that form in the brain. It looks like Swiss cheese. So vacuoles form in the brain, and that's a common sign of neurodegeneration in the fly.